Lower COVID-19 case counts are contributing to a change in the visitor policy at Parkridge Health System, and this is certainly a welcome change. Maternity patients will now be able to have more than one visitor, so that's a step in the right direction after what we've been through this past year. Channel 3's Michelle Herron joins us with more on this story. All right, and we're having a little trouble with Michelle's transmission, so we can tell you that more than 2,000 babies were born at Parkridge in 2020. Many of their mothers gave birth during the pandemic and were only allowed one visitor. But yesterday, the hospital announced a big change, and this is, of course, welcome news for moms-to-be. Let's get more from Michelle.
It's very important to have that support.
A big change for expecting moms. As Parkridge Health System announced this week, maternity patients will now be allowed 2 visitors during their stay.
Sometimes you just need an additional support person, and it might be your mom, it might be your doula, it could be your birth photographer that you want there to capture all those special moments.
Lori Salmon is the director of women's services at Parkridge East. She says visitors are screened for COVID-19 before being allowed inside the hospital, and masks are required.
We just want to make sure that we're providing the safest, most supportive care that we can give.
More than 2,000 babies were born at Parkridge last year. Since last March, mothers were limited to one visitor, which forced some to choose between the support of a partner or a birth coach. This announcement is welcomed news for families and perhaps a step forward toward normal.
They were so excited. I've seen a couple of grandmothers that got to come up here, and they were so excited that they finally got to be up here and love on that sweet baby and love on their family.
Our thanks to Michelle Herron for that story, and we'll hopefully get her signal back in time for tomorrow's news. By the way, we checked with Erlanger, and they allow 2 visitors for maternity patients as well. So once again, very positive news coming out of Parkridge there.